title, today I have a super beginner friendly wig for you guys. But this wig is from MyFirstwigs, and this is their headband wig, you guys. I know that sounds crazy, but yes, it's a headband wig and it looks... I think this wig looks so good. It feels great on my head. It feels like I'm not wearing anything, but I'm gonna save that for later and let you guys like watch me put it on and see my first impressions on it. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and say hey y'all. If you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me. And yeah, let's get right into this video. So today's video is pretty exciting. It's kind of different. I'm actually going to be testing out a headband wig from MyFirstwigs. My first impression of that was like, you know, are we really doing this in 2020? But then I started looking at the pictures and I was like, you know, this actually might have some potential, and especially with me and like how lazy I am with even doing my hair in the first place, it might come in handy. So I went ahead and told them that I would try it for you guys, and I'm basically going to unbox it with you guys, put it on, show you guys my whole experience step by step. So let's get right into it. So this is their packaging. MyFirstwig always has on packaging. This is the front and then this is the back. Yeah, I have done videos for MyFirstwig before, and their whole thing is being beginner friendly, which every single time I've worn a wig from them, I'd have to agree they are basically beginner friendly. I did get a comment on one of my beginner friendly ones for them though, and someone was basically saying like they basically didn't even want to have to do anything to the wig but put it on their head and go, and that's fine, but I mean, I don't know. I just don't know any wig that you literally are going to just take it out of the box knife and brush it and put it on and go. So I don't know, just think about that. You know, you can do that, but if you want it to look as natural as possible, even with a beginner wig, you're going to have to do something to it. You know, maybe brush it, maybe define the part a little bit, like, you know, make it look as natural as possible. But anyway, so yeah, this is their box, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside and what all you get. Usually these bags do have a hanger, but this one doesn't, but you can just store your wig in it. And then inside it has all the specs on the wig that I got. I'll read these to you guys when I pull the wig out. And you get a wig cap, which I'm not gonna be using because I'm gonna choose to leave my edges out. So I'll show you guys when I get to it, but basically you can decide, like if your edges are thinning or you just don't feel comfortable wearing them out, you can like pull the wig forward and just put a headband there, but I'm gonna be using my natural hairline because I feel like it's gonna look a lot more natural. So they sent me a floral kind of headband, which is cute for the summertime. And then they also sent me a bandana headband. It's a black bandana pattern. Then you also get this brush for your edges, which you will need because since we're not going to be having like lace or anything, I feel like you should at least lay your baby hairs or try to. Then you get all these business cards, some flyaway tamer, which I love flyaway tamer. Then I got this cute MyFirstwig bag, and I can tell there's some stuff in it. So let's see. You get a comb, you get a book. Oh, they also sent me one of these things, like a wig stand. It's over there, but yeah, you get a wig stand too. Sent me some bobby pins. These are my favorite clips ever, you guys. They're the strongest clips in the world. They're so strong and sturdy. So the last thing that you get is your wig, and this is what the wig looks like. So the texture of this wig is silky, but they do have a yaki texture as well that will match like if your hair is a little bit thicker. Now, I definitely thought that when I filmed this, I was going to have my hair straight, but as you guys can see, it's not straight. So I'm gonna have to really try and make my hair look like it's straight the best that I can. But honestly, even if it were straight, putting edge control on my edges makes like my hairline curl up anyway, so it probably wouldn't even matter. But it says it's 20 inches and the hair color is natural. I got my cap size in a size 1, and I did see that there's only 2 sizes, so you can go 1 or 2. This is the construction. As you guys can see, there's like a thin black headband right here. You have a clip here, 2 on the sides, and then the back is like a strap. So I have this clip on the back as well. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and stick my hair back and get it as flat as I can so that it looks good.
Whoever thought a guy would want a girl like me? Whoever thought that I would fall so easily? Whoever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stop our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly Sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe you and me are.
Okay, so I did my edges and my hair is just in like a low ponytail, so I'm gonna kind of flip the ponytail upwards when I put the wig on. I just take my hand and like hold it up, and then I put the wig on and like slide it forward. So okay, y'all, so I just put the wig on my head and I'm gonna comb it out. Then I'm gonna go through and like straighten it a little bit, and then I'm gonna put on one of the headbands that they sent. Tried to get my edges like as flat as they would go, but of course they're not like straightened or anything, so it's gonna be a little bit of wave. I did not know that they had this in like a curly version, or else I would have got that.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true.
Okay, y'all, before I curl this, I just wanted to say this hair is so bomb. Like, wow. It feels so good. It feels so silky, and I didn't even really straighten it all the way. I just passed it through to kind of flatten the top a little bit more. I luckily don't even want to curl it now, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and curl it anyway.
So true. There ain't no other for me. It's only you. What you going through? I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. Okay, you know it's true. I wanna be down. What you going through? I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you.
So I'm gonna leave it like this just because that's how I'm feeling. I feel like it's really chill, but like it's still like dainty and cute. This headband, and then find something to wear with this because OMG! Wow, I'm surprised. I'm gonna go change my shirt, then I'll be back for like my final opinions. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and kind of recurled it and just like combed it out with my fingers instead and did like smaller curls, and I'm so dramatic, y'all, but I love this. Like, what? Who would have thought a headband wig? Who would have thought I'd be doing a headband wig? Honestly, I would have thought it, because I'll try anything once. So yeah, I think this turned out really, really nice. My first wig's quality is always bomb. I did see in someone else's video on this wig that they said that it was pretty expensive, so prepare yourself for that. And I also love that they put a thin black headband as like the default, but you can switch it out to whatever you want. And this headband y'all sent me is pretty bomb. It matches my shirt. I'm really feeling this. I feel like I'm like on an island or something. Let me know what you guys think down below. This wig gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Blown away, beginner friendly 100%. Like, if you can't do this, it's okay. But it's definitely beginner friendly, I promise y'all. Thank you so much to MyFirstwig for sponsoring this video. I enjoy this wig. I like this wig. I'm about to leave it on and take some pictures. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.